up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title and probably my jumper as well, today is the first festive video of the year, and I thought what better way to kick off the festive season than by doing a Christmas gift guide. In this gift guide, you're gonna find a gift idea for pretty much everybody in your life, no matter what gender they are. I feel like a lot of these gifts are gonna be quite gender neutral, so it doesn't really matter who you gift them to. Also, if you're like me and you do your Christmas shopping really late at the last moment, then this video is perfect for you because everything in this video is actually all from one place. I just thought for ease I would get everything from just one website, so this time around we're doing it from ASOS. I feel like I did ASOS last year as well, but honestly it's like my go-to for last minute Christmas shopping. They always have things in stock, they always have such nice variety and so many different products, so I feel like it's a winner. I've also tried to have everything kind of under £30, maybe a few things are over that, but for the most part this gift guide is pretty affordable. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, whether you're looking for a gift for somebody else or you're just thinking, what can I put on my own Christmas wish list? Anyways, without further rambling, let's get into the video. Okay, first up, we're gonna start out with the sort of like loungy pajamas, cozy clothing kind of category. I feel like pajamas are always such a good call as a Christmas gift for anybody, honestly, because everyone wears pajamas, right? I mean, some people might sleep naked, but I just don't know why anyone would do that, so pajamas are always the good way to go. Even if you're just wearing them at home to lounge around in, honestly, pajamas are just life. So the first pajama set that really caught my eye is this one for £30 from ASOS. It is so adorable. It's got little gingerbread and Santas all over it. I love the fact that it's pink. It's very girly, and I actually am considering on keeping this for myself because I really need a Christmassy pajamas. I like the fact that it's quite slouchy. It's got a long sleeve, and then it's got the matching long bottoms, which are just adorable. The quality of the fabric is really, really nice. It's super stretchy, so these are gonna be very comfy. And yeah, I feel like these would make such an amazing Christmas gift for someone. Now, if you're the type of person to get slightly colder in the winter months, which, I mean, I'm gonna put my hand up because that is totally me. I personally love a slightly thicker pajamas to wear to bed. So when I saw this fuzzy, fleecy kind of pajama set, I just knew I had to get it. I honestly wish you guys could touch this in real life because this is the softest PJs I've ever had in my hands. It's just so warm, so cozy. Again, I want to keep this for myself, but I'm gonna have to refrain. I absolutely love the animal print on it. I really like the color as well. It's very neutral, very me. I know exactly who I'm gonna gift this to in my family. I'm not gonna say though because they might be watching. And the last set of PJs I have is actually a men's one, but I feel like it could be a unisex one. Because to be honest, it's just literally a gray pajama set. Anyone could wear this. So this is what the bottoms look like. I really like that waistband. It just says the Couture Club all around it. It's actually got pockets, which is really nice for a pajama set. The fabric is very, very comfortable. And then this is what the top looks like. The top is very, very nice in quality. The fabric just feels really soft on the skin. So I feel like this would be a really nice set of pajamas as a gift. Now, for anyone that is a super cold individual in your family, I can definitely count at least one on my hand. I feel like a night robe is such a good idea that they can just throw over their clothes and just be really toasty at home. The one that I got is this gorgeous fleecy kind of teddy bear one. It's actually got a hood as well, which is amazing. This was again in the men's section on ASOS, but again, I mean, it's just a nightgown. I feel like anyone could wear this. It's such a gorgeous navy color. Has it got pockets though? That is the question. Yes, it does. It's got pretty deep pockets too. Honestly, the quality of this is incredible. I love it so much. And this is actually from ASOS Design's own brand. They have so many different ones on ASOS. You can honestly choose your pick, but I just really like this one because it's so thick. Another really good gift idea for honestly anyone is like underwear. Obviously, if you're close with them. If you're not close with them, it might be a bit weird. I usually get my fiance a set of boxers for Christmas. So when I saw these from Jack & Jones, I thought they were so cute. They're actually Christmassy. They've got Santa on them. I think you get a set of 3 in here, so that is awesome. I love how Christmassy they are, and they were very affordable. As well as underwear, another good one is socks, especially if they come in a cute little set like this. I'm sorry, but how adorable is this set of socks? They're so Christmassy. I love the gingerbread ones. I just love that they come in a little box, so all the anticipation is right up until the moment you open it. I feel like people say that socks is like the worst Christmas gift you could get, but honestly, I disagree. I love getting socks for Christmas. It's just one of those things that you're probably not going to want to spend your own money on it, but when you get it as a gift, it's so good. good. Another good idea for a gift for literally anyone is a pair of slippers. These are these really nice black quilted ones. They actually have like a proper thick sole on the bottom. And again, these were in the men's section, but they had so many different sizes they could be for anyone. I really like the look of them. I don't think they look like your typical granddad slippers, so they're a bit more modern. Okay, now last few little bits are more accessories than anything. So the first one is a hat. Honestly, any kind of hat. I feel like in the winter it's just a necessity, and it's just one of those gifts that's really useful. I saw this one on ASOS and I just love the look of it. It's got 2 pom-poms rather than 1, and it is kind of small, but it does have a bit of stretch to it, so I'm hoping it's gonna be all right. I'm not gonna try it on because I don't want to mess up my hair, but yeah, it is the cutest little hat. You can just imagine how adorable that would look. And if we're talking about hats, of course we cannot forget a scarf. They're actually doing these really nice scarves with an initial on it, so I got the one with the initial S. It's just a really nice quality soft scarf. It's such a lovely color as well. It's gonna go with anything, so a scarf is definitely a really handy and useful gift. And the last item in the accessories kind of category is a handbag. I feel like we've got everything now. Obviously on ASOS they have such an abundance of different styles of handbags, but when I saw this one, I just really thought it looked like Chanel. This is a really nice way to gift a really glamorous looking handbag without breaking the bank. I just feel like a black quilted handbag is so timeless, and I know that whoever is to receive something like this would absolutely love it. Now moving on to the next category of this gift guide, we're going to be moving on to makeup / fragrance. There was honestly so many amazing makeup gift sets, and there was just so much of it, but I picked out my favorite things that I feel like would make really nice gifts. First up, we have this little set from Clinique. So in here we have 4 different products. We have the Moisture Surge, which is honestly a cult classic. We then have the All About Clean face soap. We have a mascara as well as an eyeliner. Such a nice little starter set of some of the best sellers from Clinique. I feel like Clinique is such a good brand as well. This was £29, so it is under that £30 mark, which I feel like is a really good price to pay for all these products. Next up, we have the MAC Stacks mascara. So this again is such an amazing product that I feel like so many people rave about. It comes in such nice packaging. I feel like this would be such an amazing sort of like more high-end kind of stocking filler. This was £26. You get 2 mascaras in here, and you get the full-size one as well as a travel version. Honestly, such an amazing gift for any makeup lover. However, if you're looking for something a little bit cheaper that's still makeup related, I found the cutest little item. This is the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, which is honestly one of my favorite mascaras, and look how cute the packaging is. It comes on like a little ball. You could literally hang this on the tree as like the last little gift for somebody to find, and honestly, I love that. This was only £13. This is the travel size version, so it is the smaller one, but for £13, I feel like it's such a cute little gift. Now moving on to fragrance, we have 2 different fragrance sets. The first one we have is the Ariana Grande gift set. This is the Ari by Ariana Grande. I absolutely love that perfume so much. So in here you get the full-size perfume as well as a little travel-sized one, which honestly is so handy. This set was £29, so again, a very affordable gift. And then the other fragrance set we have is from the brand called K. Ali. I'm pretty sure K. Ali belongs to Huda Beauty's sister, I think. Anyway, this is the little set. So in here you get like these tiny little testers of all of the fragrances that they have to offer. This is called the Discovery Layering Set, so you can layer the fragrances, you can just use them on their own, and there's a little bit of everything in here. This was £22. I feel like this is such an amazing little gift to give to someone if you don't really know what their perfume preferences are, just because like I said, you get a little bit of everything. There's so many different scents in here, and because they're travel size, they're really easy to just like put in their handbag. I think this is such an amazing gift for any perfume lover. And now the last segment of my gift guide is probably the biggest one. This is the wellness and kind of like beauty bath stuff. The first item I have to share with you guys is this. So this is the Space to Dream by This Works. This Works is such an amazing brand. Once again, the products are really good quality and you get quite a lot of things in here. So in here you get the Deep Sleep Bath Soak, you get the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, which I have to say is really good. It actually works. You also get the Sleep Balm and the Stress Check Roll-On. So if you are gifting this to somebody that's gets particularly stressed, I feel like they would really appreciate this. It comes in such a nice box. This was a little bit over £30. This was £41, but I feel like, again, it's still quite affordable considering the brand is really good quality. However, if you want to opt for something that's a little bit more inexpensive, we also have this set right here, which is kind of similar vibes. This is from a brand called Sunday Rain. I have featured this brand in my previous gift guide last year with a bunch of like bath products. They have really amazing bubble baths. The scents are impeccable. So this set has 3 different products. We have the pillow slash room spray, which is lavender and cedarwood, very calming. We also have a body scrub as well as the Sleep Easy bath soak. On the box it says it's clinically proven to have fragrances that enhance your sleep. So I mean, that's amazing. This was only £12, which I feel like is so good. The next gift idea is bath bombs. I feel like bath bombs are always well received as a Christmas gift, unless that person doesn't have a bath and they only have a shower. Maybe don't get them a bath bomb. Since last year, ASOS have actually started doing their own exclusive little like sets of Lush, which is amazing. I'm not gonna open this one because it's actually sealed and I'm planning on gifting this to someone, but this is the Cozy Christmas Bath and Body Discovery Kit. I will pop on screen what is in here, but yeah, it's such a nice little box. Again, easy to wrap, and it's just one of those things that they're definitely going to appreciate. Now, if the person that you're trying to find a gift for is a little bit more like DIY and they like to do things on their own, perhaps get them this. This is the Self-Care Make It Your Own Bath Bomb Fizzer. So you can literally make your own bath bomb rather than buying one. This is from a brand called Mad Beauty. They're mostly known for their face masks with like all the Disney princesses on the front. This set can actually make 4 bath fizzers. So I feel like this is one of those things that's really like therapeutic. They could do it in their own time for fun. I honestly love this idea, and I have one more product that's kind of along the same lines. We also have this, which is Make Your Own Face Mask, also from Mad Beauty. Look how cute the packaging is. I love it. I feel like now in the winter months, we're all sat at home being bored with nothing to do but watch TV, so this is just like a fun activity that the person could do. Another amazing gift idea, which I feel like is a no-brainer, is a candle. I feel like anybody can appreciate a candle for Christmas, no matter who they are. So when I saw this one, it just screamed Christmas to me. This is from the brand called Neom. I love Neom so much. They do some of my favorite candles, and this is just everything. I can already smell it through the box. Oh my god, that smells incredible. It's literally so Christmassy. It's literally called Christmas Wish. I love the fact that it's quite neutral on the outside, but it's red on the inside, so it's just got that hint of Christmas. It doesn't say the ingredients, but it smells very, very Christmassy, so that's all I'm gonna say. It comes in such lovely Christmassy packaging as well, so this would make an amazing gift. Now, if you're looking for a gift that's bath related, but a little bit more like sophisticated, I would say the best brand for that is Rituals. Rituals have such stunning gift sets like the ones that I've got here. This is the Rituals of Sakura, which honestly I want this for myself because I love cherry blossom. And then we also have the Rituals of Ying or Jing, I don't know how to say that, but these are such like sophisticated grown-up kind of sets. This set right here was £35, so a little bit over the price bracket, but it is so amazing. I have tried some of these products before individually. So inside here we have the shower foam, body scrub, body cream, and hair and body mist. It just comes so well presented. I'm not gonna open it up, but I'll pop a photo on screen so you guys can see what's inside. And then the second set is slightly more male orientated, but again, this could be unisex. You could get it for anyone. In here you get 3 products. You get the calming foaming shower gel, you get the mild body scrub, as well as the soothing body cream. I just love it so much. It looks so presentable, and I think this was only £17. And now the last 2 products of the self-care kind of segment. We have these 2. First up, we have a Harry's razor. I feel like Harry's is just such a good brand for razors. I always get my fiance one for Christmas pretty much every year. So that's always like a nice stocking filler or even the main gift. And then the second gift idea we have is a shaving cream slash aftershave kind of set. This is from a brand called Murdoch Barbers of London. It's got the sea salt spray. It's got a shaving cream as well as a black tea body wash. Such a nice little gift. Easy, simple, and it's gonna get the job done. So those are all of my gift ideas for you guys. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know who you're trying to find gifts for in the comments below. I feel like Christmas is such a difficult and stressful time of year because I never know what to get my family and friends. So I feel like even for me, this is quite helpful. As always, I'll have all the links of all the products that I featured in this video in the description. So make sure you guys check it out if you want to get it it for yourself. Also, let me know what is on your Christmas wish list for this year, because I still don't really know what I want from like my family. They're always asking me and I just don't know. As always, thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video. I hope you guys found it helpful, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.